Good morning, guys. Blue skies, grey morning, sun shining, your clouds. Weather forecast is sunshine and showers. Must be spring. Rhubarb coming up again. Rhubarb looks good. We got some more rhubarb coming up. Snow on bird table. 17 Celsius, 62 Celsius, 50 Fahrenheit.
Smiley face porridge. Smiley face porridge. Usually grapes, blueberries, golden grapes, blueberries, running on water, snowman running on water, soil clock running on lime juice, running on milk, butterfly, cake, flower, butterfly, nearly 25 to 9, Wednesday, flower running, 25 to 9, guys. Good morning, guys. Slight clouds up there this morning. 25 to 9. Rhubarb looking good. Good morning. Nearly 13 Celsius coming on again. It was sunny when I woke up. 19 Celsius, 66 Fahrenheit. Rhubarb coming on. Face porridge, 67 Fahrenheit. Usually grapes, blueberries, porridge. Snowman running on water. 18 Celsius. Butterfly, paper running on lime juice. Replaced his magnesium running on water. Usually grapes, blueberries. Witch running on lime juice. Milk power running on tea bags. Fresh cake for the snowman. 20 to 9, 20 to 9. Blue sky this morning. Grey and salad again this morning. Little lights last night. Rhubarb looking good. Cheese witch is happy. Rhubarb. Tea bag flour is happy. 11 Celsius, 17 Celsius, 62 Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge. Smiley face porridge. A bit of blue cloud. Jigsaw last night. Grapes, blueberries. Snowman running on water. There. Soil clock running on water. Got a new addition. On lime juice. Witch running on milk. Eating another running on milk. Running on tea bag. Cake flour. 20 to 9. Tea. Beetroot. Good morning, guys. Beautiful 10 to 9 this morning. Good morning, guys. Beautiful blue sky. Sun is shining. Plenty of cloud. Tea bag clock. Spot the difference. Looking good. 12 Celsius. Now runs at night time. Smiley face porridge. Which is happy. 18 Celsius. Tea bag flour is 18 Celsius. 50 Fahrenheit. Good morning, guys. Running. Face porridge. Usually great soil clock working. Running on stone butterfly. Still grey. Lime juice is eating away the electro. Witch running. Carrot cake flour battery running. 25 Celsius. Another electro. Witch still running. Butterfly running. Bag flour running. Milk witch running. 20 to 9. Great sunshine up there at the moment. Grey is 40 meters. Good morning, guys. Snowman running on water. Sky. Tea bag clock. Clouds. Have the thunderstorms shining. 59. Not much sun fame this morning. Face porridge. Tea, butterfly worked well last night in the dark. 16 solar action, which is fine. Topped up his water supply is fine. Tea, soil clock, grapes, blueberries, running on lime juice. Soil battery, sun shining brightly. Butterfly still going. Still going. Just on 25 going. Gone 8:30. Dried out. Good morning, guys. Tea bag flour running. Gone 17 Celsius. Today. Also, the sun was shining. Face porridge. 4 Celsius. 56 Fahrenheit. Usually grapes, blueberries. Face porridge. Digital multimeters. Just those 15 Celsius. Running on water. Found some mini tea bag porridge. Just over 16 Celsius, running on water, soil clock, porridge, snowman running on water, soil battery bag, snowman running on water, butterfly still running on rhubarb, witch soil battery, milk carrot cake flour, tea bag flour, 25 to 9, the cheese guys. Grey this morning, has rain to get through, but it's clouding up. I believe that's blue up there. Rhubarb good. Looking good. Another grey morning this morning. Rhubarb looking good. Just over 16 Celsius, just over 60 Fahrenheit. 15 Celsius, smiley face porridge. 14 Celsius, 57 porridge. Snowman running on water, grapes growing in my soil, running on water, lime juice powered air engine, racer, rhubarb running on lime juice, mushroom, tea bag, soil bag, flour going, flask on moldy code, tea bag, running on trying to switch running.
Good morning, guys.
Tea bag, flowers going
out there.
20 to 9.
Morning, sun is shining, sunshine easy. Grey this morning. Looking big good. Fluffy clouds up there. Big grey clouds up there. Blue sky. Pizza
just over 14 Celsius.
We have a catch this morning.
Fahrenheit. Smiley face porridge.
18 Celsius.
Grapes, blueberries. Smiley face porridge stuff. Tea. Fahrenheit. Muesli grapes, blueberries, water. Doing a bit of work on running on water. Snowman running on strawberries. Snowman running on water. Spider battery. Avocado slime juice. Okay. Butterfly running. Which milk turning funny colours. Which is happy. Tea bag, flour is fine. 25 to 9.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.